The Hindu Succession Act. The Hindu Succession Act 1956 is the main legislation in India that governs succession and inheritance in the Hindu community. To crack down on a judicial exam, it is important to have a good understanding of the following topics related to Hindu Succession Act. Definition of Hindu and Hindu joint family. The Act defines the term Hindu and sets out the concepts of the Hindu joint family, including the rules for membership and the rights and obligations of members. Classification of property. The Act distinguishes between two types of property, comprehensive property and self-acquired property, and sets out the rules for the devolution of each type of property. Intestate succession. The Act provides for the rules of intestate succession, including the orders of succession and the rights of heirs and the options of a will. Testamentary succession. The Act provides for the rules of testamentary succession, including the requirements for a valid will and the rights of heirs under a will. Inheritance by female Hindus. The Act provides for the equal rights of female Hindus to inherit property and sets out the rules for the devolution of property to female heirs. Partition. The Act sets out the rules for the partition of Hindu joint family property, including the procedure for partition and the rights of the members. Maintenance. The Act provides for the right of Hindu women to maintenance, including the obligations of the husband and the grounds for claiming maintenance. It is important to study the relevant provisions of the Hindu Succession Act, cases interpreting the Act, and legal concepts related to the succession and inheritance law in order to be well prepared for a judicial exam. Additionally, practicing past exams and answering sample questions can help you to develop your legal reasoning and test taking skills.